I hate niches. I'll never buy a niche ever again. I wish I could wear this fragrance every day. A question I get all the time is what should be my first niche? I answer the same way every single time. Depends on your collection and depends on what you're looking for. So here's the thing. Fragrance influencers love to hype up the newest niche. They'll talk about PDM Perseus. It's the greatest fragrance ever. It's a beautiful green kind of meadow fragrance with a hint of citrus. Yada, yada, yada. You think, oh my gosh, this has to be the greatest fragrance ever. You go out, you buy it, and you hate it. And then you realize you just wasted hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a fragrance that you will probably never wear ever again. So then you try and resell it on one of those like Facebook reselling groups, and you can't sell it for a decent price, and now you're taking a massive hit for a fragrance you hate. I hate niches. I'll never buy a niche ever again. And that's usually kind of how it works. So my thing is, you need to know what type of niche will work for your collection. So like, for example, if you want the most affordable, easy, blind buy worthy, I think, niche fragrances, I would go with something like this, Cedrat Boisé by Mancera. If you use the link in the description below, the one that says Nubs 15 fragrances recommended, you'll get this for about $70. This is a super affordable fragrance. It has beautiful citrus in it, beautiful DNA, blended perfectly, nice amount of sweetness. I got a compliment last time I wore it. Highly recommend this fragrance. It has a magnetic cap, and that was hard to say. And then, yeah, pressurized atomizer. Come on, great fragrance for 70 bucks. Great introduction into the niche world. See if this is something that you're interested in. See what the quality is like for a niche, because niche fragrances typically have a higher quality than a designer. That's also why they're usually more expensive, because they're using more quality ingredients. My thought, if you want to see if you like niches, check out Cedrat Boisé. Now, if you're looking for, I think personally, the best winter niche, and honestly, this is also my favorite niche fragrance. It's from Xerjoff. This is Symphonium. This is a beautiful chocolate fragrance with orange sweetness, not the scent of orange, orange sweetness. It smells incredible. It is luxurious. It's sophisticated. This is massive class in a bottle. Highly recommend it. I love it so much. Oh, it's... I wish I could wear this fragrance every day. I just love it. I just love it. Atomizer, again, Xerjoffs, they're all great. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. For me, when it comes to cold weather and it's cold out, I would get this. I love Symphonium. I think this is a killer fragrance. Highly recommend it. Wish I had 100 mil, but back in the day, when I bought this, back in the day as in last year, 50 mil was the only one I could find for a decent price. So nowadays, Joma Shop, I saw it 100 mil for 180. I paid 220 for this 50 mil. 220. That's like 440 for 100 mil. Now you can get it for 180 at Joma Shop. If you're interested in it, I would check it out now. Seeing how the Northern Hemisphere is getting a little bit warmer, we're getting closer to summer. Cold weather fragrances typically get a little bit of a dive when it comes to price. So now's the time if you want to buy it, get your cold weather fragrances now. And this would be my pick for the winter, Symphonium from Xerjoff. Now, let's say you need like a special occasion fragrance. You know, this could be Christmas time. This is my Christmas fragrance, actually. Every Christmas day, I wear this fragrance. Or if I'm going to an event and I want to smell incredible, something like this from Kilian is a great choice. This is Angel Share. This smells like the best apple crumble pie fragrance in the world with a hint of cognac. I absolutely love this fragrance. Now, price, it is a little pricey. I get that. But again, we're talking niche fragrances. We're not talking affordable fragrances always. This one is a little bit pricey. I actually think the profile makes it worth it, though. It is a great fragrance. Highly recommend it. Oh, it's just the best apple crumble pie. It just feels like apple crumble pie with a hint of cognac. I love this fragrance. Again, bottle design, I think this might be the best bottle design out there. Love it so much. Think it looks incredible. Very classy. Anyone that sees this will think, dang, you got a good fragrance. Atomizer does a good job. I really like this atomizer. Gets the job done. It's not pressurized. I wish it was, but you know what? You can't always get everything you want. I love this fragrance. Highly recommend it. If we're talking special occasions, I'm going to a black tie event, I'm going to a wedding and I'm dressing up in a suit, I'm talking Christmas Day, holidays, stuff like that. Not summer holidays, winter holidays. I would wear this. I think this is a great fragrance. It'll get you noticed. It's very mass appealing. Again, apple crumble pie. Who doesn't like the smell of an apple crumble pie? This is incredible. Love this fragrance so much. So again, special occasions when it comes to niche. Get something like this, Angel Share from Kilian. Now, sometimes people want, I think Angel Share just got in my eye. There we go, we're good. Some people just want like a loud fragrance, a sweet fragrance, something that's gonna get you a lot of attention, something that maybe the ladies are gonna love, something that's gonna be a noticeable fragrance that won't smell like other fragrances. This is brand new this year. This is from Harmony. This is called Vanilla X Plum. This is one of my all-time favorite fragrances right now. I am obsessed with it. It smells incredible. It gives you that like Herba Pura style sweetness. But again, it's plum and then vanilla blended. The vanilla makes it really appealing. It blends perfectly, smells incredible. Again, pressurized atomizer. Love it so much. Highly recommend this fragrance. It's an extrait de parfum. The fragrance lasts a long time on the skin, on clothing lasts even longer. Great fragrance. Again, this is a sweet fragrance. This is made for attention. This is made for if I put this on and I'm going to a party, people will notice me above all the other people. This will be something that will stand out from the crowd. So again, fragrances like that, they do exist where you want just attention. And that's the whole point of the fragrance. So I would go with something like this from Harmony. This is Vanilla X Plum. Again, brand new 2024 edition. Now we did the best winter fragrance, the best summer fragrance. There's so many good options. I love Elysium. I think Elysium by Roger Parfum is insanely good. Only downside is performance isn't always the greatest, but it's great. Sadly, another good one. I like that one. Torino 21, some people say they love it. I'm not the biggest fan of it. Again, it's not a bad fragrance. I just don't care for the green dry down. My choice will be this one. This is Ocean Noir from Michael Malone. This costs about $80 to $90 online. Great fragrance. Smells like the niche version of Dylan Blue. Dylan Blue is one of the most versatile fragrances I have in my collection. If I want to wear something dumb reach and I don't know what I need, I would put on Dylan Blue. This now, on the other hand, takes that, adds a lot more depth, a lot more just royal scent to it. I love it. It is very good. It smells incredible. Huge fan of it. Think this is great. And performance, I get about 8, sometimes 10 hours with this fragrance. It's a Michael Malone fragrance. Every Michael Malone I've ever sprayed, pressurized atomizer. Great fragrance. Love the DNA. Oh, it smells so good. It's just a fresh fragrance. It's just so interesting. This can be worn to the office. This can be worn on a date. This can be worn to a bar, to a sporting game, you name it. This is a great fragrance. The versatility in this is insane. So yes, I do say this is the best summer fragrance in my collection. I think it's the best year-round fragrance. If you need a versatile all-year fragrance, check out from Michael Malone, Ocean Noir. So I hope that helps you. Again, the world of niche is insane. You can get fragrances that are unwearable. They're just done for artistry. You can get fragrances like Ocean Noir that are made for versatility. There is every fragrance in the world possible for you in the niche world. The problem is most of the time they cost more. So my suggestion, check out the link below that goes to Cologne Curators. I would check out samples. Get a 1 ml, get a 2 ml, get a 5 ml. Just get samples of the fragrances you're interested in. Because again, just because I'm saying these are good fragrances, you may get them and hate them. I highly recommend you test them out first. See, A, does it last on my skin? Because there are certain fragrances that will not work on your skin that will work on others. So I say Ocean Noir gives me 8-10 hours and you get 2. And you're like, this is a ripoff. Agreed. That would be a ripoff at that point. So get a sample if you can. Try it out. Wear it. See what it's like on your skin. And then go for the actual full bottle if that is what you're interested in. But again, I would check out online discounter, see if you can get the best price. A lot of times, Joma Shop is a great place to go to. Max Aroma has great niche options. Twisted Lily has great options. There are just discounters all over the place that will have niche. So do your research. Try and get the best bang for your buck. Because again, if you can save $50 on one of these and you have the extra $50, you could get another fragrance too. You could get a designer. So that's my thought. Do the best you can. And any questions, comment down below. I'll answer whatever I can, whenever I can. Appreciate everything you're doing. Thank you for the support and for subscribing. Talk to you soon.